In 2016, kung maaalala nyo, no? Even as early as 2014, 2015, kasama ito sa ipinail natin na kaso sa Hague, no? Sa arbitration court, na sinasabi natin ang Chinese fishermen are doing giant clam harvesting in Bajo de Masinloc. At alam nga natin na desisyonan ito ng 2016, nagkaroon na rin ng pagtukoy ang arbitral award dito, na sinasabing ginagawa nga ito ng China. However, despite of the decision of the arbitral award in July of 2016, the Chinese fishermen still goes to Bajo de Masinloc and still carry out the giant clam harvesting. Etong mga images na to, baka sabihin na naman ng mga pro-China trolls, bakit ngayon lang natin nilabas? Di ba? Sabihin, ba't si Commodore Tariela ngayon lang nilabas itong mga to? Hindi yan totoo, no? On the part of the Philippine Coast Guard, we reported this to the national government. All of the photos and videos that I'm going to present to you now happened 2016 to 2022. All of this are reported to the national government then. The question is, bakit hindi na publicize? It's up to them to respond to that question. 2018, the Chinese fishermen are still engaged in giant clam harvesting. As you can see, no, may mga giant clams kaming na-document, empty na yung laman nila. Ang natira na lang dito is yung mga shell. But on the later part of my presentation, makikita nyo, etong mga empty giant clams na to, i-retrieve pa rin nila yan, iniipon lang nila. So, as early as 2018, meron pa rin giant clam harvest. And then March 2019, this is the last documented harvesting of giant clams in Bajo de Masinloc by the Philippine Coast Guard. 2019 March. Sa mga susunod na presentation ko na, wala na tayong makikitang giant clams kasi naubos na nila. The following month, April, gumamit pa sila ng pang-score, no? Ng seabed, kumbaga pangkayod ng seabed, no? They are that desperate na kayodin ang buong seabed ng lagoon ng Bajo de Masinloc for them to still hope na meron pa silang makakayod na giant clam. But you can also expect, no, now with this kind of strategy of scoring the entire seabed of the lagoon of Bajo de Masinloc, it also destroys the coral reef na nasa ilalim nito. Let me emphasize that the last time we saw Chinese fishermen doing a giant clam harvesting was in 2019. Those were the last remaining giant clams na nakita na tayo sa Bajo de Masinloc. Wala na tayong iba pang makita rito. Because since 2013, almost every November, December, yan lang ang inuunti-unti nilang kunin. The giant clams in Bajo de Masinloc.
Bakit ngayon lang po ito napopublicize?
Well, as I said, no, our transparency strategy starts last February under the guidance of the President and of course as recommended by our National Security Advisor, General Eduardo Año. And we believe that bring out all these footages and images that would show the real behavior of China in the previous years, even before President Bongbong Marcos assumed office, aligns with our transparency strategy. For the Filipinos to understand na hindi totoo yung sinasabing ang ginagawa nating pag-expose ng agresibong paggalaw ng China, paninira ng environment, panghaharas ng Filipino fishermen, only happened during this administration. The objective of this is to give the right information to the Filipino people. This information were not released before, but I cannot speak for the previous admin. What I'm just saying is that in this administration, General Eduardo Año supports the publication of all these images that happened before the time of President Bongbong Marcos.